lower.
Lower the 15 So what was it?
200.
Oh, 200 points lower.
200 total.
But they give you that just for spelling your name correctly.
Actually, they give you 300 for spelling your name correctly. There's no Y in junior.
Oh, come on, baby. Don't get down on yourself. You may not be a genius, but hardly anyone is.
Yeah, you're right. I guess not everyone can be an Albert Feinstein.
Mama.
Well,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
damn good.
Why you in here with Shayna?